Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. In this week's edition of the Business Review, TVJ's Andrew Laidley explores the transformation of the print industry.
Print is not dead, but it has changed. People who used to read paperback books now switching to ebooks and other digital outlets. The transformation hitting the print industry, many companies forced to reinvent or close down. Managing Director of the Herald Printers, Roger Brown, says he too has to innovate.
We're bombarded nowadays in the digital age. At one time we thought that print would be dying or dead, that there would be all tablets who wouldn't need any paper anymore. And, we'd have to go and sell roses or something. We have to do something else here. That's far from the case. We've seen an increase in the amount of color pages by 300% here at the Herald over the last 7 years. And the demand continues to grow. If you don't change, then you die.
Herald Printers invested $1.5 million over the last 9 months buying equipment. Marketing and Business Development Manager at the company, Keena Williams, says that investment is starting to pay off.
From the start of 2019, we've seen where we have printed over 1 million labels and prints for overseas markets. So when we compare that to last year, it is a huge jump.
But the company still has a long way to go where exports are concerned.
We export to a lot of our hotel clients. And right now, of that segment of the market, it probably represents anywhere between 3 to 5% at present. But with strategies that are in place, we're confident that we can see exponential growth in those particular areas, especially with the new investments that have been made.
And while the company looks to ramp up its production for export, Mr. Brown is urging the government to use more local printers.
Government, by and large, is the largest purchaser of print. And I know we as a company and we as an industry stand ready, and we now have the firepower to reduce the dependence on imports of print. So whether it be school books, whether it be whatever type of material and collateral for the executive agencies, we look forward to government looking on us favorably in that regard. Because it causes us to reinvest, it causes us to increase employment. And of course, it reduces the strain on foreign exchange.
In the meantime, Herald Printers has announced it will make further investments as it seeks opportunities in 3D printing.
3D printing is evolving at a very rapid pace, and in terms of in the medical industry, automotive and industrial purposes, it has its particular purpose. So it's something that we're thinking about.
The Herald Printers has been in operation for 97 years and is one of the oldest printers in the English-speaking Caribbean. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.